How to use Instagram Map on Android. Open Instagram and tap the search icon, the magnifying glass. In the search bar, type a place or keyword, for example, coffee shop, beach, mall. After searching, tap the place tab, choose a location from result, and tap see more or the small map preview. You are now inside the map, ready to explore posts and stories from that location. Zoom in or zoom out with two fingers to pinch. Move around the map and drag the map to explore nearby areas. Tap the pin or thumbnail. See post tag at that location. Tap the search bar next to the address. Type in another city, cafe, or landmark. Select it from the option. The map jump there. Tap any pin or thumbnail to see photos, videos, story tagged at that location. You can tap the bookmark icon to save a location for later or tap share icon to send location link to friends. Now you know how to fully use Instagram Map on Android. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.